Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and you're gonna learn about filter method in Array. So let's begin. What we need to do is create a var words and throw a bunch of words. Like what we gonna do is like spray, comma, limit, comma, uh, elite, and a bunch of other stuff like present and something like idiot. Dear viewers, I'm not telling you, don't be angry on me, please. And what we're gonna do is result equals the prototype for that array. In this case it's words, and we are gonna use the filter function. And what we're gonna do, use function, and inside that we'll type word and equals, and now what we're gonna do is check that if the word has length of 6, it gonna filter out that. So word dot length and greater than 6. And when you do that, and now what we're gonna do, log it on a console result. It gonna, oh, there is uncaught. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry, totally sorry, I totally forgotten. When we do that, it gonna filter out return. When you do that, it gonna give you the words which have more than 6 letters. And now I'm gonna small out that and remove this, so you can write in a one line, and also remove the return because we do not need anymore. It is still gonna work. Oh, there's oh, here 6, yeah, present. So if it has more than or 6 word, it gonna become inside that. So this is what it does. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.